Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are finally going to install the headlights on the car, and before we actually get started, be sure to check out my Teespring down below. We have shirts, long sleeves, hoodies. You know, it's getting cold now, so yeah, be sure to check it out. And just my luck right now, as I was setting everything up, I dropped this one right now on the floor and I cracked the corner. Luckily this corner is on the bottom, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, there is a crack right there, and I will have to polish it again because I messed it up. Here's a piece of it. Jesus. Great way to start a video. So first things first, I'm going to take off the old headlights because I think the previous owners for these headlights gave me this plug, and maybe I could just plug this in and it'll be good to go. I will have to fix things like this. You don't want twist caps on your car. You want a nice job, so I will clean that up. But first I'm going to take the old ones off. So to take off the headlights, pretty easy. You just remove, I believe it's a 6mm bolt, and they should just pop out. So let's get that started. Okay, so as you can see, the other headlights do come with this wire, but since it's down there, I don't want to take everything off. I'm just gonna keep my original ones. For the accessory, for the daytime running lights, the wires you want to choose are the ones. The positive is the black with the purple line, and the negative is the other wire, just all black. So yeah, and I have this here for my turn signal LED bulb. It's a resistor, that way it can actually blink normal. So I will go ahead and connect these onto the new headlights. So on this one, see how it comes with the wires already? I will disconnect all that because we don't need it. Sometimes these little clips are hard to get to. Just use like a screwdriver to pry it up. There we go. And if you do work on your headlights, don't use twist caps. Use something else. This is not acceptable. So one difference that I do notice from these headlights to my old ones, for these on the rings, it uses just black and red wires that you need to connect. On this one, it uses the I think it's a T10 connector, so that just slides into the harness. That's pretty easy. So let's go ahead and put that on. This is pretty simple. And this one just connects in here. Put it in and twist it, and now we're good to go. Okay, so there it is. So that's the new one in. It literally took like 2 seconds. And those were definitely harder to put in because of the wiring. You have to figure out which wires is what. The daytime running lights just connects to the T10 port, so that's pretty good. And that does look way better than that, so I'm excited. I was bummed out earlier because I broke the rear tail light, but I'm excited. So let's go ahead and turn them on. So here you can see the lights are on. So that's what those look like. And this one's gonna be kind of hard to see. The white is lit, but since it's bright outside, it's kind of hard to see. And I do have my switch back in there, so it shows white, and then when I turn the turn signal on, it turns yellow. Let me show you that. So it's yellow, blinking yellow, and when you turn off the turn signal, it just goes back to running light, a white running light. See? That looks super clean. Let's go ahead and do this headlight, and everything should be pretty easy, simple, and straightforward. Okay, so there they are both on now. And when you do put them on, just make sure to push it in. There's some clips like right behind here and right under here. Just be sure to push it in, and yeah, that should hold it. That should be good to go. Those look 100% better than those, in my opinion. So I just want to say thank you to Howard from Puerto Rico. He's the one that recorded these clips of his Jeep, showing off the headlights at night, since I'm recording the same day. And yeah, his is actually pretty clean. He says it has 60k miles, and yeah, it looks clean, man. Thank you for sending those clips in. It really helps. All right, so if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions on how I installed it. It is super simple, but sometimes you might have questions. So yeah, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.